Well, we're just down filleting some whiting. The way I've been taught to fillet them is pretty simple. Just go down along the backbone like that, flip it over. You got your ribs there, so you want to just go under your ribs and cut your ribs out like that. And then it's just a matter of going down your fish like that, and you get a beautiful whiting fillet. And you turn it over, same on the other side. Behind the gill there, straight along the backbone of the fish like that, and then flip him over. You got your ribs there, just whack that rib cage out like that, and then once again just along there like that, and that's your nice whiting fillet. And if you like, you can keep that for your burley, for your snapper, whatever, freeze it up.
Tell us about like when you catch them, and you know you put the ice slurry in that.
Yeah, look, it's important when you catch them to make sure you don't just leave them sitting in water, because then when you go to fillet them, they're mushy and they're soft and they're really hard to fillet. Yeah. Brett's had these ones sitting in an ice slurry all night, and then they're nice and firm, and yeah, they're easier to fillet. If they're soft, very, very hard to fillet.
Yeah. Right, just give us another one.
Yep, so just take the rib cage out, then you just, that was a bit of a, straight along like that, and there's your whiting fillet.
And you've bought this piece of wood from home. This is not the...
I bought that bit of wood from home because down here they haven't got any wood. Some places have, Warneat has, and a few ramps, because you can't really fillet on steel.
They say that wood holds bacteria though, so, but we don't care.
I've actually got a plastic one of them. I should have bought that, but
yeah.
Anyway, you give them a wash.
Yeah. There's the...
And a lot of people will bring a bucket of fresh salt water in with them, and then so when you clean your whiting fillets, you throw them in the just the salt water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you're sitting at home in winter and don't want to get out for a fish, you really should. It's really awesome out there at the moment.
And the other thing that's a good investment, a lot of my mates do it, is you get a cryovac machine.
Yeah.
You get your cryovac bags, you just cryovac your fillets, put them in the bags, and then you can freeze them, and then you know, you've got fish all year round.
Yeah. These will be snapper bait later in the year.
Bit of burley, yeah, snapper bait.
The heads are awesome. Put some barracudas for gummy bait. And they're all caught on the ting and osters. Yeah. Right, here we go, we're going to time ya.
Stewie can do about 2 a minute, mate.
Can he?
Yeah.
Tell you what, you're on target to do 2 a minute, Dale.
Oh, if you can do 1 a minute, that's pretty good.
You know how long that took you?
You haven't finished yet.
Yeah.
I reckon it'll take you about a minute to do 1, I reckon.
32 seconds that took you?
To do a whole one.
A whole one. How do you cook them?
Some people, if you want a healthy alternative, Brett, you just put a little bit of flour on them.
Yeah.
Put them in a pan, you know, with just a little bit of cooking spray.
Yeah.
I have them crumbed, or you can have them with the batter on them.
I think I'm going to try pancake.
Yeah, crumbs.
Yeah.
I had some crumb last night.
Did you?
Yep. Yep. Don't cook it for too long, and beautiful.